Smells worse than vodka, but this stuff really cleans. Then we're going to just dip this in there and rub it on the phone. This is Ben from shouldigetit.com, and the last good video I found on how to safely clean and disinfect your phone is about 6 years old, and now with all the coronavirus fears going around, I decided to make this video to show you various different ways you can disinfect your iPhone, because they say don't touch your face, and the thing that touches your face the most is probably your phone. So you can do this with whatever phone. I'll also show you some quick cleaning tips for AirPods, but let's get to the phone. So I'm going to show you, of course, with disinfecting wipes, that's probably the easiest way to do it, and then a few other methods. So we have rubbing alcohol here, we have just some regular hand soap from Target, and then we also have microfiber cloths, which I would definitely recommend. But if you're, kind of just on the run and you have a paper towel or a napkin or toilet paper, whatever that might be, I'll show you that your phone can handle it. iPhones at least are rated IP68, which means that they are dust resistant. They're also water resistant. They're not completely waterproof, but you can submerge this in water for about 30 minutes. I've dropped this iPhone into a pitcher of beer. It was totally fine. Let's do the easiest way first, and that will be with the Lysol wipe. So if you have Lysol wipes, literally all you gotta do, you take it out and you wipe. Wipe the phone, you can see there's a lot of streaks on it. So then to dry it, you can either rub it on your shirt, which I wouldn't recommend, but doesn't matter, or you could use just a regular paper towel. This is just a Bounty paper towel from Costco. Your Costco might be out, but you could use that, or you could use a Kleenex tissue, toilet paper, whatever you want, or what I would recommend is a microfiber. You can see, one, our screen got cleaner, and two, it is now supposedly disinfected. 99.9% of germs are supposed to be killed, as it says on the disinfecting wipe box right here. Helps stop the spread of cold and flu viruses. So boom, there we go. And now we have our phone disinfected. That is method one. So there is the disinfectant wipe. The second way to do it would be with soap and water. So you can just take a little bit of soap like this, and you'll see, you probably don't want to do this, but you totally can. You can take soap and then take a paper towel, and all I'm going to do is dip it in water. So I just have regular water here in a glass. I'm going to get that a little bit wet, okay? And we're literally going to take, this is a lot of soap. I should have done much less soap. We're going to take the soap, and we're going to move it around the screen of the phone. There we go. And you can see this kind of doing the same thing that the Lysol wipes would do. And then what we can do is take the drier part and just scrub a little bit more. And then you can, again, use a microfiber, or if you have a regular towel, you can use that. But you can just take it and wipe it off. And you don't have to worry about the water damaging the phone, because it is IP68 resistant for up to, as I mentioned, half an hour in 3 meters of water, or 3 feet at least. Don't quote me on that. But there we go. We can see the phone is clean, disinfected. It does not ruin the coating on the screen. And especially if you have a screen protector, you don't have to worry about anything. You can clean it kind of as ratchet as you want. And then the final method that I would say is a 50-50 rubbing alcohol to water mixture. So here we have 70% rubbing alcohol from CVS. What I'm going to do is pour into this tiny, cute little shot glass. So we're going to pour just a tad. So you can see we did one little bloop into there. I'm going to take a little bit of water. Bloop. Now we have about a 50-50 mixture. You can see very rough numbers. And again, you can use a paper towel, or you can use a microfiber. We're just going to swish this around a little bit. It smells worse than vodka, but this stuff really cleans. Then we're going to just dip this in there and rub it on the phone. And now we have a disinfected phone that also has a cleaner screen. You can do this on any part of your case. Again, if you have a really cheap case, some of the colors maybe will come off if you use something strong like rubbing alcohol, but that doesn't matter. You can just get a new case in a couple weeks and take care of your health for now. So you can do this on any part of the case. And then if you have some small portions that you'd like to clean, like if you have this area right here that you want to clean and the microfiber doesn't get there, then if you have smaller materials that you want to clean, maybe like the little gaps in the case here, and you want to make sure that gets reached, what you can do is just dip that in right there. These are special Q-tips for product cleaning, and then you can just kind of rub it in there, and that will dry later on. Or you could take a second one that's already dry, just move it like so, and now your entire phone is disinfected. Same thing with the AirPods. You can wipe them down. I would definitely use much less liquid on the AirPods. So put very, very little liquid on the actual ear canal piece that goes inside that has this little mesh net here. But on the stems, on the bottom portion, on the top, you can definitely use your wet paper towel that has the rubbing alcohol on it or the soap. You can do that, and they will work pretty well. If you've ever ran in the rain with AirPods, you know that they aren't necessarily fully water resistant, but they definitely do still work. So I hope you stay safe, you stay healthy, your phone stays clean, and if you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend and take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.